How to use hair simulation in Blender. First of all, open your Blender project and select the object you want to add here, usually a mesh like a character shade. Go to the Particle Properties tab and click the plus icon to add a new particle system. Next, change the particle type from emitter to hair. This will instantly create hair strands on your model surface. Then adjust the hair length and number of strands to fit your design. You can style the hair by entering particle edit mode, where you can comb, cut and shape the hair using brushes. To enable hair simulation, enable hair dynamics. This will make the hair react naturally to movement and forces like gravity and wind. You can tweak other settings under hair dynamics to control how the hair behaves during animation. Finally, test your simulation by playing the animation or moving the object to see the hair move realistically. Now you know how to use hair simulation in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.